You use 100% of your brain, not 10. That popular idea, 90% dormant, waiting for a secret key to unlock hidden genius, is a persistent, hopeful myth. It paints us as superheroes in waiting. Superheroes, with vast reservoirs of untapped mental power. It feels good. It feels inspiring. It suggests we could become geniuses, or psychics. But it's completely untrue. The reality is more interesting. Your brain is not a house with locked rooms. It's a bustling city, every district active, not all at once. Think about it. Even when sitting and reading, your brain is a hive of activity, processing the shapes of letters, assigning meaning to words, managing your posture so you don't fall over, brainstem keeping your heart beating and lungs breathing. There's no large, silent area waiting to be activated. A mostly useless organ conflicts with what we know about body and evolution. The brain is expensive to run, about 2% of body weight, consumes around 20% of oxygen and calories. Evolution is ruthlessly efficient. It wouldn't favor a costly, mostly useless brain. A creature carrying one would be at a disadvantage. So where does that leave us? Not disappointed, but empowered with a more accurate understanding. Your potential is real. It doesn't come from flipping a switch on dormant matter. Modern science gives us a clear window into the working brain. What we see directly contradicts the 10% myth. Functional magnetic resonance imaging, positron emission tomography. Neuroscientists can watch the brain in real time. These scans measure blood flow and energy consumption, showing which parts of the brain are active during different tasks. When a person talks, listens to music, or thinks about their day, these scans light up with activity across widespread areas. No scan has ever revealed a vast, dark, and silent continent within the skull. Even during sleep, your brain is anything but quiet. While you rest, it is busy consolidating memories from the day, clearing out waste products, running the essential programs that keep your body functioning. Different stages of sleep show different patterns of brain waves. Slow waves of deep sleep. REM stage, intense activity where dreams occur. This non-stop work is crucial for learning, memory, and overall mental health. Think of it like the engine of a car. Pistons, spark plugs, radiator, alternator. You are not using every single part at the exact same instant, but they are all essential for the car to run. If you remove one, even a small one, the entire system can fail. The brain is the same way. Different neural circuits are specialized for different jobs. Visual cortex, for seeing. Auditory cortex, for hearing. Prefrontal cortex, for planning. While they may not all fire at maximum capacity at once, they are all crucial parts of the integrated, fully utilized whole. So if the 10% myth is so clearly wrong, where did it come from? Tracing its exact origin is like trying to find the source of a rumor. There isn't one single starting point, but rather a collection of misinterpretations and historical accidents that grew over time. One likely contributor was William James, who wrote that the average person develops only a small portion of their full mental potential. He was speaking metaphorically about our capacity for growth and achievement, not literally about the physical mass of the brain we use. This metaphorical idea was likely twisted into a scientific fact. Early neuroscientists mapped obvious functions like movement, but large association areas seemed silent only because language, abstraction, and planning were not yet understood. Dale Carnegie quoted James and attached a number, helping cement the myth. Writers, advertisers, and even psychics amplified it. Films like Lucy built entire plots around it. It's a classic case of a fiction becoming more famous than the fact because it tells a more dramatic story. The myth is appealing. It offers a simple excuse and a magical promise of flipping a switch to reveal hidden superpowers. The truth about the brain is actually more hopeful than the myth. Your potential isn't hidden away in a locked room. It's present in the brain's astonishing capacity for change, a property called neuroplasticity. Instead of searching for a non-existent key, You can actively cultivate your brain's abilities every single day. Think of your brain not as a fixed hard drive with unused sectors, but as a living garden. You can't magically create new flower beds that weren't there before. Tend to the soil, plant new seeds, nurture what is already growing. This steady cultivation leads to real, tangible growth. First, embrace novelty and learning. When you learn a new skill, a new language, a musical instrument, a new recipe, you forge and strengthen neural pathways. This is the physical basis of learning. Challenge your mind with puzzles, read beyond your comfort zone, and engage in deep conversations. Second, prioritize physical health. Regular exercise boosts blood flow and supports chemicals that aid new brain cells, mood, and focus. Sleep consolidates memories. Balanced nutrition fuels your brain. Social engagement activates language, memory, emotion, and protects cognitive health. You have all the brain you will ever need. The real power lies in how you care for and use it every day.